In this video, we will explain how to find the mean, median, and mode, the three measures of central tendency used to summarize data. First, let's learn about the mean or average. The mean is one of the most commonly used ways to describe a set of data. To find the mean, add all the values and divide the sum by the total number of values. Example. Find the mean of 5, 7, 8, 10, 10. Step 1. Add all numbers. 5 plus 7 plus 8 plus 10 plus 10 is equal to 40. Step 2. Count the numbers. There are 5 values. Step 3. Divide. 40 divided by 5 is equal to 8. Final answer, mean equals 8. Next, let's find the median, the middle value. The median is the middle number when data is arranged in order. Take note, the data must first be arranged from least to greatest. Example 1. Odd number of values. Find the median of 3, 5, 7, 9, 11. Step 1. Already in order. Step 2. Find the middle. Middle value is 7. Final answer, median equals 7. Example 2. Even number of values. Find the median of 4, 6, 8, 10. Step 1. Find the two middle numbers. 6 and 8. Step 2. Add them. 6 plus 8 is equal to 14. Step 3. Divide by 2. 14 divided by 2 is equal to 7. Final answer, median equals 7. Finally, let's look at the mode, the value that appears most often. Example. Find the mode of 2, 4, 4, 6, 7, 4, 9. Step 1. Check frequency. 4 appears 3 times. The other numbers appear less. Final answer, mode equals 4. Important notes. A data set may have no mode if no value repeats. A data set can also have 2 or more modes if several values occur with the same highest frequency. The mean is affected by very large or very small values, called extreme values or outliers. The median is often a better measure of center when there are extreme values. Quick recap. Mean is the average, median is the middle value, and mode is the most frequent value. Now try this. Find the mean, median, and mode of 62963. Pause the video and try it yourself. Let's check your answer. The mean is 5.2. The median is 6. The mode is 6. And that's it. Now you know how to find the three measures of central tendency. The mean, median, and mode. These tools help us understand data in a simple and meaningful way. That's all for this video. Thank you for watching.